So, how do you change your Bitmoji skin color in Snapchat? So to start off, let's open up the Snapchat application. Now here you just need to head over to the top left on your profile. Now here you just need to go to your settings and try to find the Bitmoji options. Now here you just need to edit my Bitmoji. Now here, if you want to change your skin color, you just need to click on this skin tone option. Now you can adjust accordingly to what you like. So for me, try to go with this one. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.